Hello, today I am going to explain the insurance ERP. So as you can see, it is home page. It has all the details what exactly it is about it. So it is end to end the insurance management for the insurance companies. So here the all the insurance types is managed like the health insurance, motor insurance, life insurance, travel insurance, property insurance, general insurance. All the stuff managed the single platform. So this system is majorly for the insurance agencies, direct selling agents for insurance agent, and customer who is the user for the sales purpose. So it's contain these kind of feature like the soft phone and calling. So web RTC and SIP supports, advanced CRM. So it has a very good CRM as well as the AI powered underwriting system as per the different insurance services the system supports. And the campaign management, DSA and the agency management and AI chatbot supports. Look, this is the AI chatbot support. So whatever the response is gone through, the AI respond once API is implemented, their key is implemented in the backend, then this chatbot is work perfectly as per the demand, right? Let me the login in the system. It is a super admin, right? So this is the super admin. Oh, sorry. So just I log in the agent panel. Let me log out. Firstly, I share the about the insurance admin. That is major part of this project because the insurance admin is managing tenants, users, categories, provider, aggregators, product, question, rules, carriers, SIP trunks, DID marketplace. DID means tag inward dialing numbers. You can get these numbers from the Twilio and other VoIP providers. And the DID assignments, you can assign DIDs to these tenants as well as the user and the agencies. Billing and usage analysis, CMS is about the front end UI stuff, mainly the content management, system log, settings. Setting is all about the whatever the setting is required for this system, that is managed from the single place. So let me show you the backend. Backend in build in the next and Nest.js and the front end in Next.js, right? And the database in the Postgre. These are the calendar integration. So whatever the API is available, so you will put it here and set up here, right? Once it is set up, the system will work accordingly. Similarly, carrier setting. Carrier setting is about the particular carrier you want to implement, like the Twilio, Plivo. Initially, what exactly I know about these major brands, so I have used these major brand right now. We can use custom PBX as also based on the asterisks and other stuff. You can custom DID uploads, that is also possible, but still I didn't cover that scenario. So let me start from the dashboard. Dashboards are the mini statistical analysis of all the system happening, like the total tenants, total agents, active DIDs, active calls, total policies, call volume, 7 days charts, recent activities, recent webhook events, and the subscription billing charts. So the first part, let me explain how to create a tenant. So here you can see I can create a tenant. So tenant is the name, tenant is type, the DSA agency platform, domain name, whatever the domain do you want to give him. So active and the billing plan basic, pro and enterprises. Once this is created, then we create the user for the tenants, right? Create user, because we offering certain kind of support to the tenants, like the how much agents they can build, right? So let us about tenant is this username, super admin, DSA admin, agency admin, agent, underwriter and customer, right? So an agent can create this kind of the roles in the system, right? And the password and full name password. Categories. I am not filling all the details right now just because of system is quite big. So at the one shot it is quite difficult to explain. If I fill all the details, it will cross more than 3 to 4 hours to complete this video, right? So these are the major insurance category I have covered in this system. So general insurance, health insurance, life insurance, motor insurance, as I shared in the home page. So we can add another category also if you want. So we can manage through this, right? As well as the provider. So providers, different providers, right? So majorly I think provider come through aggregator. Aggregator, because insurance business run based on the aggregator. Once we implement their credential like the aggregator name, there's a API URLs, codes, client API, client secret and the capabilities, code generation, policy binding policies, webhook secret key, active key. So these are the general uh, settings for the aggregators, these providers. Then let me explain the providers. So provider is offering different kind of services, right? So based on the provider code, emails, stat addresses, countries, let us suppose Barbados, and then their cities and all the details, right? So these managed by this, as well as the API endpoints, API keys, categories, rating. So that way we can manage the providers. Third major part is the product. So here we can manage the product of the system, majorly the insurance products. As you can see, product has the listing, product name, categories, aggregator code, status, section. So as you can see, I have the details. Here you can manage the details, right? Product name, categories, what category it is belong, description, aggregators, right? These details, then you can make a product, right? This is complete PWA system, progressive web application, right? Let me another part, that is underwriting questions for the insurance, which ask from the customer to suggest the policies, right? So these are the questions. We can create another questions, right, based on the category. Let us suppose you have been making a health insurance question. The question type single choice, multiple choice, right? And then the create questions. Based on that, he can answer the question by the customer. So these are the underwriting rules. Let me create a rules that will explain all the details. Rules. Rules has the name, providers, categories, condition, age like minimum 13, maximum 65, health status good, actions, decision approved, premium multiplier 1/3, right? So these are the rule managed based on the underwriting question. So another major part is the calling stuff. So here we can make a carrier. Without the carrier you couldn't make the calls from the system. So this is the carrier setup. There are the API keys, API credential, default number, webhook number, test connections, transcripts, SMS, MMS, all the services that the carrier is support. So that is a carrier. Once the carrier is established, then we can create a trunk, right? So it will use trunk providers. If majorly if you want to manage a own joystick server, the commonly the port is the 45060. Settings, create trunks, right? So this way also we create the trunks. DID marketplace is by the purchase DIDs. So these are not implemented, it is based on the request. Whatever the carrier they want to use, once the carrier is set up in the setting page, it will come up here. They can buy the numbers directly from this system. DID assignments. So here we can assign the DID. Let us suppose this DSA, right? DID number we can assign to trunk, and this all the details. PBX monitoring is another big part. So as you can see, this is completely PBX dashboard. Here the SIP trunk, DID, CDR, carriers, upload DID, PBX setting, right? Here SIP set trunks like I have managed before, and the DIDs, here the DID listings, right? And the CDRs, the call detail records. This page about the call detail records. Whatever the CDR is done by the agents, it will show here, right? Filter, you can see the filter, agents filter, and other details, right? We can manage the tenant based filter. Right now I have made an agent base, right? So billing and uses, how much billed to the customer. So these all depends, tenants plan, invoices, this thing, SMS, CMS master data as I explained before. So it is the same. CMS pages. Look that. This is the home page, about us page, frequently asked question, contact, term and condition, solution page, system log page. So another system log, right? That is the overall activity happening in the system. That will be come here, and this is the setting page, right? So as already I explained the first three steps. The second is the AI LLM. So here we can manage their API keys. So by this, then we can test API model in the chatbot and other things wherever required, like the underwriting questions. Wherever it is required, it will enable, right? So this is overall system. So it is the admin profile. Admin profile has all the details. What exactly the admin profile. So this video is all about this, to explain this menus and all the details. Hope you like it. Next video about the another panel where I will explain all the details as much as possible. Thanks for listening me and hearing this beautiful system. Thank you.